everyone. In this video, I'll be going over how to use the trending section on Compass and why the features in it are useful. To navigate to the trending section from the homepage, you can just click on collections. This gives you a live view of the collections with the most amount of sales in the given period that you have selected. So you can ensure that it is live because this red dot will be pulsing and next to it will be the current block number. The periods are right here and this determines what analytics are displayed below. So if you hover over a collection, it'll give you a little bit of information about it. It'll tell you the collection name, it'll tell you when it started minting, how many tokens have been minted so far, if it's revealed or not, and a few relevant links. Next to that is the amount of ETH generated in the period that you have selected. The thing I should mention is anytime you see Ethereum prices on Compass, if you hover over the price, it'll give you the US dollar equivalent. Next is the amount of sales in the given period that you have selected. This is the average price that the NFTs are selling for based on the period you have selected. This is the current floor price of the collection. This is the highest sale that has occurred during the period that you have selected. And this is a bar graph, displays the volume distribution in the current period. So why is this useful? This is useful because you can see where NFT traders' eyes are in the market. So if a collection is higher on this list, it is getting more sales in the period you have selected, which means that there are more people actively trading it. It also displays the percent at which these things have changed based on the previous period, so you can get an idea if things are trending upwards or downwards. This is extremely useful for individual collections because if you see a collection show up on here and it is increasing in value, that usually means that something was released or it was genie swept. This page makes you aware of that and allows you to look a little bit deeper and figure out exactly why things are pumping. On top of that, you are able to see entire genres of collections that are pumping if you pay enough attention. So a good example of this would be something like thick line art. As you see, there's a thick line art project, there's a thick line art project, another one here, and there could be even more even farther down. And so this gives you a decent idea of what kind of collections are pumping in the market currently. So that can allow you to determine what collections you should be focusing on. All of this info allows you to make decisions that you may have not otherwise been able to make solely because you were unaware of them. There have been many times where I've, because of the trending section, been able to find a collection that had just revealed a big announcement and was going to do a large increase in price, but because I found it on the trending section right when it began to increase in price, I was still able to get in and make some profit. So that's a little bit about what the trending section on Compass does, how you can use it, and how that is helpful for a trader. I hope you enjoyed.